Hey you guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this quick, easy, do-it-yourself in less than 2 minutes and go from this to this. To start off, you're going to need a galvanized bucket, pop bottles, and your favorite planted flowers. You're going to start by filling your bucket with the pop bottles just to be a filler. Create a nice base. Make sure they're laying down flat so your flowers lay level. And then you're going to take your basket. You can take the hanger off, but I'm going to show you how I do it. I actually leave mine on and I just hide it. So all you're going to do is set it in your bucket with your bottles and hide your hook or take it off, depending on what you like to do. And voila! You have a beautiful galvanized bucket planter that you barely had to put any work into. So here's what's so great about this is, one, you don't have to buy all of this potting soil and spend extra money on potting soil. You don't have to drill holes into your galvanized buckets. You can keep the integrity of them. And also, if you need to take your planters and move them out of the sun for whatever reason, like if you're not going to be home, it's way easier to move them this way. And this is the final look. So again, this is just a quick, easy 2-minute DIY that you can do in less than 2 minutes. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Thank you!